Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogtober. And y'all, today I'm going to take you along with me as I run errands and do a little window shopping. So here is some of the fall items that they had at Dollar Tree. Y'all, they have some really nice stuff in, not Dollar Tree, Lord, this is Dollar General, y'all. Y'all know I spent a lot of time in Dollar Tree, but this is Dollar General. And y'all, I was surprised. I did not know they had so many good items in Dollar General. It's just not a store I normally go to because I always go to Dollar Tree. But y'all, their fall items are so beautiful. So I'm definitely going to be going back in there, getting a few items because I want to decorate for fall. um Here's some of the Halloween stuff that they had. They had more, but I have, a couple Halloween vlogs. So I didn't want to like overwhelm you guys with the amount of Halloween vlogs that I'm going to be posting, or Halloween related vlogs. So y'all, if you have a Dollar General, go check it out and see what they have because the inventory was nice, really nice. And I ventured over into some of the other decorations, like their home decor and things like that, just because I seen it in the aisle and everything. And so they have a lot of nice pieces. And y'all, you really don't even have to like be spending a lot of money at a lot of these expensive places because, unless you're just like a label snob or something like that. But you could really like decorate your house and different things like that on a budget, and your house can be put together, your apartment, whatever, your home. It can look nice, and you don't have to like go broke trying to do it because Dollar Tree and Dollar General, yeah, they came with it with the decorations this year, like really nice. But y'all, enough of that. So I'm gonna show you what I did get out of Dollar General and what I picked up from Walmart because we're gonna have quesadillas tonight. So I got some New York strip steaks. I got some flour tortillas, the smaller ones. That's not the smallest one they have, but that's what I got. I got some already made pico. I got some wood fire garlic and some garlic herb. I got some pecans. I got some extra sharp cheddar. I got some queso. I got some Zyrtex for my girls. And I got some sour cream. My oldest wanted Dr. Pepper. I got that Snapple pineapple. It was it was really good. I actually liked it. And I picked up a pack of pencils because my daughter needed some. So it was really good. Have to do, you have to match, right?
Yeah.
Match the uppercase letter to the lowercase letter.
Okay.
Good job.
Okay, so what's next? C. This is a lowercase c.
Is that no? That's an uppercase C right there. Now you have to find the lowercase C.
Oh, this.
Mm-hmm. Good job.
Okay, so what's next? E.
Mm-hmm.
Do,
Good job.
okay, so what's next? Okay, G. G. Okay, this one. This is I. Okay, let's see. Okay.
Excellent.
Huh?
I say excellent job.
Okay, so what's next? Okay, L. Okay, where is L? Ooh, oh, L. Is this L?
That's a funny looking L, but yeah, I guess so. That L got a curve on it, so I don't know. Okay.
Okay, let's see. What are we gonna do next? Okay. O. Okay, we can do O.
Stop making that noise, girl.
Okay, what is next? Okay, cake. Cake. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, what is next? B. 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 Is this B?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You know what B is.
B.
Good job.
Okay, what is next? D. Okay, this one is D.
Great job. Did you do all the letters?
Mm-hmm.
Great job.
Next. Okay, weave violin. Viva violin. Viva violin. Okay, what's next? U umbrella. U.
What's your sight words go?
I.
Mm-hmm.
A.
Mm-hmm.
And.
Mm-hmm.
Can.
Good job.
All right, y'all, so we done with homework. Let's get into dinner. So tonight, as I stated, y'all, we're gonna make some quesadillas. This is really quick. The longest part of this is just making the steak. So anyway, I got some New York strip. Normally I get ribeyes, but I've been liking the New York strips lately. But this is the seasoning that I'm gonna use. Now the steaks were not salty at all. So if you feel like you need to add some salt, you can, just be cautious with it or whatever. But the seasonings that I used on it, other than the complete seasoning, they didn't have any salt in them really. So you can season your steak to whatever or however you like it or whatever, and of course cook it however you like it. I always cook my steaks medium well. I don't want it cooked under medium well or over medium well. I just don't. But to each his own. But I'm just seasoning both sides with the seasonings that you guys saw. And I got those today because I wanted to try out that garlic and herb. Now, there is another garlic and herb with lemon pepper. I didn't want that. I'm not a big lemon pepper fan. Now, y'all know I was wrong and down bad for throwing that butter in that hot oil like that. Honey, I jumped back so fast that oil popped on me. Girl, I had to move something. But y'all don't do that because I knew better. And I made that very childish mistake. But I'm not gonna do that again, trust me. But anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cook my steaks. I cooked them about 7 minutes on each side because I didn't have the fire up too high. I was, because of course I was still, kind of just getting stuff ready for the girls for school and stuff like that. So I didn't really want to cook them at a high temperature, but I did eventually turn them up. And so what I always do in my steaks, y'all, I take them, I put them on a piece of foil, and then I just close them up until I'm ready to eat them or whatever. Because you want to let them rest. So I took one of them and I just chopped it up into pieces so I can put it into the quesadilla. Here are some little baskets that I had got from Dollar Tree a few years ago, and I'm just lining it with parchment paper just for easy cleanup. Now, and I wanted to be done with the meal, so I use 2 pans. I know it's more dishes, but whatever. So I just put a little butter down in each pot or pan, and then now I'm just adding the cheeses, and you can use whatever cheese you like. That quesadilla cheese, I really like it. It is really, really good. It's one of my favorite cheeses. I really like it. If you guys have tried it, let me know in the comment section. And y'all, another thing, y'all, please give me my videos some likes. I see y'all are watching them, but y'all not giving them any likes. So if you can, please do that for me. But I went ahead and added the pico as well, and added the other sharp cheddar to the quesadilla, and then I added another tortilla shell on top. Sometimes I do it the other way, but whatever. So this is what it turned out. I paired it with some chips for the girls and giving them a little soda. They normally don't drink soda, but tonight my oldest wanted a Dr. Pepper. So if you like this video, please leave me a comment and please subscribe. And thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate y'all for watching my videos and coming on my channel. Thank you. Bye.